What's the meaning of admit? Admit. 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 The word admit means to allow someone or something to enter or be a part of a particular place, group, or situation. It can also mean to confess or acknowledge something to be true. The result of admitting something can vary depending on the context. For example, if a person admits to a crime, they may face legal consequences. If a student is admitted to a prestigious university, it can greatly impact their future opportunities and career prospects. Overall, admitting something involves accepting and acknowledging the truth or reality of a situation.